Hey guys, so I'm in a Facebook group for small workshop makers, and we recently all decided that we were going to make YouTube play buttons. So if you remember, this is my 3D printed one that I used as a Christmas ornament a while ago. What I'm going to do is I'm going to attempt to make it into metal using aluminum casting. So let's go ahead and see if I can get that done. And then at the end, I'm going to put a poll up to kind of see if you like it with the raw metal or the painted finish that I used. So stick around, let me know what you think. Alright, so this isn't working out, and I think it's because the Petrobond is sticking to the layers. So I'm going to try to make it protrude instead of being inside by just gluing this wood triangle to it. We'll see how that works out. Alright, this is like attempt number 14 and it's not getting any better, so I'm just going to cast this and try to fix it when it's metal. Well, I think by trying to do a cheap box, I messed it up again. But we'll see how it goes once it cools down a little bit. That one's better. We'll get it cleaned up and then see how it looks and see what we can clean up a little more. Vote in the cards for if you like the painted version or the metal one better.